Hi, early childhood team. This is Chris Abraham from Go Academy. Great job at last week's class. I wanted to really quickly make a video to talk about the new MTEL 72 exam coming out for the early childhood exam. This is an area that some teachers are going to be dealing with early next year, and I just wanted to point out a couple things. All right, so really quickly let's just review the basics from the current test that you're taking. This is the one that most teachers are taking right now, and this is probably going to be the easier one to pass. This is the one with 100 multiple choice questions. 30 or so of them are early child development questions. 20 are involving childhood literature and writing, and then 50 are involving content. And you still 50, math, science, history questions, and you still have 2 essays. This has been the breakdown for the last 8 or so years for the MTEL 02 for teachers taking their early childhood exam. This is an exam where most teachers do a little bit better in child development and children's literature. This makes up half the multiple choice. And they tend to have a difficult time with content because content is so broad. You have math, science, history, language arts, geography questions all mushed in, so it's really hard to prepare for. Now, the new test is a little different, and I want to highlight these differences, okay? So here we're looking at the differences here. What they do is they combine child development and they add in language foundation, so how language supports early literacy, and then they combine that writing section. So they combine they combine and shrink that opening section into 32 questions. And what they're doing is they're adding a third more into content, meaning you're going to have more math, more history, more science. So it works out to around 67 questions as opposed to 50 questions, 25 in math, 21 in history, 21 in science. So team, this means that on the new MTEL 72, it's going to be more detailed. You're going to be required to know more detail in each of these content areas. So for example, if you didn't like math on the current MTEL 02 exam, well, you're going to have a lot more math on this one. And you're going to have more history and more science. So I think in this way here, it becomes a slightly harder test for a lot of teachers. The essays are going to be different, but the big concern is this shift in the focus. All right, so content is going to become king in this new MTEL 72 exam. This new one's going to be coming out sometime early next year. Hopefully you won't have to worry about it. Okay? All right, team, I just wanted to send this out to give you an idea of the new exam coming down the track. Let me know if this helps. Team, have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.
Hi, team. This is Chris Abraham from Go Academy. This spring, Go Academy is turning all the workshops into webinars. These classes are going to be covering the same material as a regular workshop. We're going to do them in 7 hours, and they're held on Saturdays and Sundays in the morning. I encourage you to check out a webinar. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful.